So I'm currently on my way to go get a SIM card, a Vodafone SIM card, and I've come to this mall in Adana called Optimum, just here. So I'm about to go inside and I'm going to find out what the best SIM card I can get is. I'm here for 2 weeks, so something with enough internet to keep me going. We'll just have to wait and see. The best price I was quoted in the mall, I said I'd come back, is 120 liras for 20 gigabytes of internet, and basically that's around £11. I think there's like 11.84 liras to a pound, so it's about 10-11 pound, I would say, depending on the actual rate of the liras. So let's go inside and have a look.
Yo, bende. Sende tabii ki be. Buyurun.
So you have to show this code called HES code before you enter any of the malls in Turkey at this time. So I'm back out of the mall now, and it wasn't actually 120 liras. It was 170 Turkish liras, which works out about £15, and you get 20 gigabytes of internet, and also you get 250 texts and 250 minutes, I think, which is not a bad deal, and that lasts for about a month. And then you can charge it up, and it won't cost you 170 liras next time round. It'll probably cost you like 100 liras for the same amount. But it's a really good deal, £15. I'm just here for 2 weeks, so I think it'll work in my favor. 20 gigabytes of internet is a lot. So in my case, obviously, it was a Vodafone SIM card that I preferred to get, because I got that last time and it was pretty good reception all around. But there are other providers such as Turk Telecom and Turkcell, and they basically provide the same bundle, the same tariff, for around the same price, give or take 10 liras. So yeah, that's how you get a Vodafone SIM card in Turkey. All you do is you pop over to a Vodafone shop, you tell them what you want, and it's as simple as them popping a new SIM card inside your phone, and it takes about 2 hours for it to activate, and you pay them 170 liras, and that's it, you're good to go. The only thing I would recommend is if you have a UK SIM card or a US SIM card or whatever it is, wherever you're coming from in the world, you have another phone to put that in so you can receive calls and texts. So for me, it's really important that I receive calls and texts on my UK SIM card. So I've just got a very simple phone called Alcatel Q1, I think it is. I just pop my UK SIM card in there. It serves the purpose of receiving calls and texts, whilst I can use my iPhone with a Turkish SIM card and be able to use the internet whilst I'm roaming around. One thing I should add is that if you are going to use a Vodafone SIM card, even though it'll be a Vodafone phone number on your phone, you can still use WhatsApp on your phone, because when you go on WhatsApp, it will ask you if you want to use WhatsApp with your old phone number, and it also say that they've detected a new phone number. So you just select the option to say, I would like to use my old phone number, and you're pretty much good to go. Then you can use WhatsApp with your old phone number, and meanwhile you can use the 20 gigabytes of internet. So there you go. To end with, hope you enjoy this very beautiful view of the second largest mosque in Turkey.